Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today, last working day. This week, Friday. Yes, it's Friday, August the 11th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic. And we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles I will solve in the evening. The letter Sudoku we have here, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. One with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard that Russia has launched a rocket or missile, one to Ukraine and one to the moon. Yeah, but are there people on the moon? The moon people? I do not know, but they will launch a rocket. Alright, Medium Sudoku number. We also not so good news, because I've told you yesterday the Dutch soccer female team has lost in the quarterfinals of from Spain. Yes, not so good news, but it was a fantastic match. Yeah, spectacular, fascinating game. Alright, Medium Sudoku number 6902. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a Sudoku with 26 printed digits, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 4 missing numbers in the second row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 and a 7 in this big square, so no 1 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. So we have a 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, no need to place left, but 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. I need a 2 here. Interesting. 6. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 9. We have 2 and a 9 in the first row, so no 2 and a 9 in these two boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair in this big square. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. Alright. Then 6, 1. We have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there, 6 in the third column, 6 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, cannot continue with the 6 now, need to wait. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this column, so no 4 and a 7 in these two boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. That means 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1. Nope, we have a 2 here. Correction. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. All right. Okay. And now, 3, 5, 7, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have 3 in this column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So the 5 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes at there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the last row. 1 of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 in the last row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Then Let me see. We have a 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and 7, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for Mr. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for us? The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. About 1 box left in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Let me see. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in that row. Last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column. Last column. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 now in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. The 1, the 2. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers again, the 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. A tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.